Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we'll be addressing an issue that can be really frustrating when your PC isn't using all of its available RAM. This issue can significantly affect performance, especially if you're using a processor that relies heavily on RAM, like an AMD Ryzen 7, which demands a lot of memory for certain tasks. I'll walk you through some steps to fix this issue and get your PC running smoothly again. Let's dive right into solution number 1. Checking your physical RAM. Believe it or not, one of the most common causes of this problem is simply that your RAM isn't fully seated or might even be faulty. Sometimes Windows will show that you have a certain amount of RAM installed, but it won't actually be able to use it if the RAM isn't properly connected. So first things first, turn off your PC and open up the case. Carefully remove each RAM stick, then reinsert them firmly to ensure they're seated correctly. If that doesn't work, try testing each RAM stick individually. Take one out and boot your computer with only one stick at a time. If you notice that one stick works and the other doesn't, you may have a faulty RAM stick. Fixing this may be as simple as replacing the faulty stick, which will allow your system to fully utilize all your available memory. If you've confirmed that your RAM sticks are properly seated and functioning but are still experiencing issues, it's time to move on to solution number 2. This one involves checking your Windows operating system version. To get the most out of your RAM, you need to be running a 64-bit version of Windows, as a 32-bit system will limit your usable RAM to about 4 GB. To check this, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner, and then search for System Information, and then select it from the results. Once you are in, then ensure it says 64-bit. If you're on a 32-bit system, consider reinstalling Windows and selecting the 64-bit version to unlock more RAM capacity. Next, let's dive into some system settings that may help. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows R and then type msconfig. Once you type it, and then hit Enter. This will bring up the system configuration window. From here, go to the Boot tab at the top and then click on Advanced Options and make sure that the maximum memory checkbox is unchecked. Sometimes this setting can inadvertently limit the amount of RAM Windows is allowed to use. By unchecking it, you allow your system to access all available memory freely. Click OK, then Apply, and then again click on OK, and then restart your computer. This simple setting change may solve your issue entirely. If you're still having trouble, we'll need to go a bit deeper and make a registry change. Now, a word of caution. Editing the registry can be risky, so it's essential to back up your settings first. Open the Registry Editor by typing Registry Editor in the Windows search bar, and then select it from the results. Once it opens, go to File at the top left corner and select Export to create a backup of your registry settings. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your original settings. Now, navigate to the location where I am currently. Once you are in same location and in the Memory Management folder, look for a setting called Clear Page File at Shutdown. Double-click on it and change the value from 0 to 1. This tweak can help Windows manage memory more effectively. After making this change, close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. If none of these solutions work, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your RAM issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.